some lunch at Chipotle.
Yeah, and then what are we doing?
And then we're gonna be filming a video with Jose.
Yeah, we're gonna be filming a video for his YouTube channel. I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on, what we're doing. So we'll be taking you to Chipotle in just a little while.
Yeah, see you there.
So we're back and we got our Chipotle. And we're sitting outside because it's a really nice day out today. Like, it's really beautiful and it's the perfect temperature too. It's like not cold, not hot. It's just like perfect. It's like nice and windy and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna eat our Chipotle and then we're headed to Jose's house to film whatever we gotta film. So I just want to check back with you guys, and we're gonna be there in just a few. So we'll see you guys in just a little bit.
And then I have like a voice modifier and I play. She calls it Mauricio. And then she always tells me about stuff, but she's using like my phone.
We are back. We're back. We finished recording, and I did record some of the stuff as you guys saw in the last clip. So we were recording things for Jose's YouTube channel. He's just kind of showing like people how to record on like low budget, like how to record your own films or shorts or just videos in general. And we were just helping him. We were like his subjects, so that's what we were doing. And now we are leaving.
We're leaving and we're going home.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing after this. I think Eric said he was gonna come over, and I don't know what we were gonna do, but I don't know yet. It's a thought. So for right now, we're just gonna go home. The weather is so nice outside. Like, it's getting a little bit hotter, so it's kind of good for like pool or beach or Volcano Bay weather.
Yeah.
It would be like a waste to go to Volcano Bay because I think they close at 5, and it's like almost 4 right
it's
now.
like the pool, I guess.
Yeah, so
Because the
it'd be
beaches
cool to
close
make a
at
barbecue.
Yeah,
It'd be cool for barbecue time. But we're sick.
Yeah, but it's hot and we only have a cough and we're just recovering from it. So we're not really like sick.
I don't think it's a good idea though to like go in the pool when you have a freaking cough, a lingering cough, and snot coming out of your nose. Yeah, guys, we're gonna go home, and yeah, that's about it. So we'll see you maybe, or if not, I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Guys, we're at Texas Roadhouse, and the last time we came here we really liked it, so we're back at it again. Eric's hangry. Guys, this is the aftermath. Eric is full. We have a lot of food to eat later. So we're here in IKEA for an impromptu visit. I decided to get a, well, it's been in my mind for a while. We just haven't made it to IKEA because it's like, what was I saying? We're gonna go get the utility cart so that I can put my makeup on it and stuff, because right now it's like in a suitcase. I don't have anywhere to put it. I ran out of space in my drawers. That's it? What was I gonna say? I don't know where it is. I feel like it would be in the bathroom area. I don't know.
Raven, what's going on? What's going on? Hi, kitty. Hi, little kitty.
That's the standard. Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up? So today it is Sunday. We're filming our podcast, but today we're doing something a little bit different. We're actually filming intros to the podcast. So basically our, I don't know, aesthetic or whatever it's called, like the theme that we have going on is like, it's called Fire Pit Entertainment. So it's like campfire, and like we're around the campfire and we're talking about stuff and we're telling stories and whatnot, all that fun stuff or whatever. So basically we're filming intro, and in the intro we're supposed to look like campers, and so that's why I'm wearing this little outfit here. And I just filmed my other intro where I was like in front of the mirror, and we were doing like a Full House like inspired cheesy video where you like turn, you're like, oh, I didn't see that camera was there or whatever. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna head back inside to see what we're doing next. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. I was like almost gonna wear that one, that green one. I own two socks.
So this is what you got.
Them socks though.
Yeah? This one or this one? He's got green.
And Eric is setting up the drone. Actually, we just did the drone shots, but I guess we're doing new one. Really high waist, like above the belly button. Yeah, there you go. There you go. It's supposed to be cringy.
Oh, I gotta get
It is over on top of my belly button right now.
That's good. That's where it needs to be. I'm literally done with this footage. Dang! No way! We're currently on our way to record the next part. They're striking a pose. They're all striking a pose. LOL. Are you guys enjoying this?
You gotta pick up.
Here's my key. He's recording random audio. Here we go. We're heading to a random park. So we're on the trail. We're walking. That's a wrap, you guys. We just finished filming. Hey y'all. Hey guys, we're back again. Elisa, let them know where we just came back from.
We came back from shopping. We went to the mall.
I just got 2 pairs of shorts, and no, I didn't get the bralette because I have a bra at home. Yeah, I only got 2 shorts, and then I got a dress. But we tried on like 1,000 things. We tried on like 1,000 and I'm so tired from just like trying on clothes for like how many hours?
We were there for like maybe 3 hours.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, we were there for 3 hours.
Shopping and trying on stuff.
Oh my god. And then now we're done. We're gonna go home. I'm so happy because I'm really tired. Like really tired.
I bought a top.
Forever 21.
That's it, a top of person and
Oh yeah, you didn't buy anything at the other thing.
No, because everything was kind of ugly. We was putting some double chin mode. And I bought the sunglasses.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and I bought sunglasses too. I forgot.
That you said I look so good in. What do we think?
Yes,
Bye.
I told her I love those because they look like cool girl sunglasses. You know, like cool Instagram girl glasses. And then I got some, but they're just like regular round ones and they're black and gold. Sorry guys, I'm like literally trying to get out of here. Trying to get out of the mall. We're just gonna go home. We're done for the day. Bye.